my name is Elmaida. I'm from A2 class 2022. So now I'm going to show you my final exam of innovation in ELT. So stay watching.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning class.
Morning, Miss.
Are you ready for today's lesson?
Yes, I am ready.
Before starting the lesson, it would be better to pray first, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Anja, can you lead the prayer?
Before we start the lesson, let's pray together. Begin. Finish.
Yes, I want absent first. So, Anja Kurniawan.
Hadir, Miss.
Kenny hadir. Kana
Nggak ada, Miss.
kemana?
Kayaknya sakit, Miss.
Sebelum memulai pelajaran, Miss punya satu permainan nih untuk ngetes semangat dan konsentrasi kalian. Nah, permainannya kalau Miss bilang anggota tubuh, kalian pegang anggota tubuhnya ya, turutin apa yang Miss bilang, jangan yang Miss pegang, ngerti kan? Nah, sekarang coba ya permainannya. Maut,
Pipi,
cik, pipi, maut,
eyebrow,
eyes. Oke, dirasanya kelas ini udah semangat dan konsentrasi ya. Jadi karena udah semangat dan udah konsentrasi, Miss mau kalian lihat satu video yang harus kalian tonton dengan baik dan juga konsentrasi ya. Nanti Miss akan tanya siapa yang gak ngerti, nanti dikasih hukuman. Nah, so now let's starting learning. Please pay attention to this video carefully.
I notice that you've been coughing.
I'm sorry if my cough disturbs you.
No, it doesn't at all. I'm just concerned about your health. Are you okay?
Actually, I feel sick. I keep coughing, and my head is killing me.
Maybe you should go home and have a lie down.
I want to go home so bad, but I have to finish my report today.
Is there anything I can do for you, like getting you an aspirin or a cup of tea?
I think an aspirin will do.
I'll get it for you.
Thank you. Next week, we will have a test. Yeah, we must study hard from now. You are true, I have trouble with math. I have trouble in English. I'm confused about tenses. Do you have any idea for us? Last test, I get 100 in math and you get 100 in English. Why don't we study together? Wow, that's good idea. I think so. You teach me English and I teach you math. Then, where and when we will study together? We should study in quiet place. That's mean we can't study at my home because I have a little brother. I think so. How with my home? Okay, no problem. Saturday, or Sunday, or both of them. I suggest both of them so we can got the best result. Okay, but don't forget to ask your parents first. Okay, after this I will ask them. I will bring some food too, so we will not be hungry while studying. That's good idea. By the way, I will go home now. Okay, I still have something to do in the class. Okay, see you soon. See you.
So what we learn from this video about
How to ask for suggestion and giving offer, like meminta saran yang baik dan juga memberi atau menawarkan saran yang baik kepada si peminta saran.
Oke, good. Nah, sekarang setelah melihat video barusan, Miss mau menjelaskan nih dari saran dan tawaran ini atau suggestion and offer dalam bahasa Inggris ya. Oke, sekarang let's pay attention to this PowerPoint ya. Nah, betul ya, tadi sudah dijelaskan oleh Adele bahwa di video itu adalah suggestion and offer, yaitu suggestion saran dan offer itu memberi tawaran. Nah, di PowerPoint ini ada expressing suggestion dan expressing offer. Di expressing suggestion itu ada dua, ada expression that can be used to give suggestion and expression that can be used to respond suggestion. Ya, kalau misalnya meminta saran pasti harus ada respon dari saran tersebut. Nah, begitu juga dengan expressing offer, sama ya, give offer dan to respond the offer. Lalu di sini ada expressing suggestion. Expressing that can be used to give suggestion. Nah, di sini ada beberapa kalimat kata yang contoh ya untuk give suggestion. Ada misalnya let's nih follow by verb 1. Misalnya let's go, or why don't you go, we could go, atau dan seterusnya. Nah, di sini juga ada I suggest or propose or recommended that, itu diikuti oleh subjek dan predikat, dan seterusnya itu ada diikuti oleh verb 1 ya. Lalu the expression that can be used to respond suggestion, buat yang accepting ya, menerima ya pasti yes or okay or it's good idea or okay if you say so. Nah, lalu kan di expression itu sendiri pasti ada penolakan ya jika kita tidak mau. Bisa memakai kata-kata no thank you, no I don't feel like going, sorry I think busy maybe, or no let's just go, sorry I cannot, begitu. Nah, lanjut ya ke expressing offer. Di expressing offer juga ada kan tadi dijelasin ada give offernya. Nah, di sini ada contoh-contoh kalimat dari giving offer. Kayak contohnya, can you help me? Apakah saya bisa bantu kamu? Atau so I help you, or would you like apakah, atau can I go, how about if subject, how about if whatever, what you like me to, dan seterusnya ya. Lalu untuk ngerespon dari offer tersebut ada accepting the offer. Misalnya yes please, or I really appreciate it, thank you it's very kind of you, yes please that would be lovely, yes please that would be very kind of you, or thank you I appreciate it. Ada responding the offernya yang menolak dari tawarannya, kayak it's okay I can do it myself, or no thank you, no thanks, I don't want another helping, or don't worry I will do it myself, or that's right I will manage on my own. Oke, mungkin segitu aja ya dari PowerPoint yang Miss bisa jelasin. Nah, di sini ada yang mau bertanya nggak soal suggestion and offer, atau sudah mengerti tentang penawaran dan saran tersebut?
Mengerti, Miss.
Masih tadi teh. I have one more games of suggestion and offer. Let's start. Nah, di sini ada example of offer sentence. Di A ada do you want to play hooky with me? B, any suggestion on what I should do? And C, would you mind giving me any suggestion about this issue? Nah, di sini yang example di sini yang offer sentence-nya yang mana kira-kira? A, B, or C?
For one, A, Miss. And
Oke, good. Nah, di sini ada satu lagi nih example of suggestion sentence. Ada A, anything that I can help you, sir. Or B, I bought some biscuit dim home. Would you like some? Or C, any advice to share? Jadi yang mana suggestion sentence?
C, C.
Oke, answer.
Di sini udah pada ngerti ya tentang suggestion or offer, bagaimana meminta saran, meminta tawaran dan merespon suggestion and offer itu sendiri. Lalu di sini saya mau satu lagi games yang sebelum before we end the lesson, I have one more games again. Here there are 2 columns that must be filled in with suggestion and offer. Whoever can fill them in first will get the point. Nah, siapa yang bisa maju ke depan?
Saya Miss.
Oke, good Adele. Di sini yang udah ditulis Adele di suggestion ada any advice to share and offer, do you want to play football with me? Nah, di sini udah benar ya. Di dua-duanya udah benar dan Adele mendapat 5 poin. Do you understand the lesson today?
Understand, Miss.
Sekarang udah pada ngerti kan suggestion and offer kayak gimana dan perbedaannya kayak gimana? Ya, kalau suggestion saran dan juga offer itu tawaran. So I think enough for today and thank you very much to your attention and bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you juga, Miss. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.